Good morning, students. It's me, Dakshina, here again with my new topic, which is correlated with our last topic harmony in society and harmony in world. Today's topic is love. Love is the emotion of strong affection and personal attachment. In other words, love is a feeling of warm personal attachment or deep affection, as for a parent, child, or friend. In philosophical context, love is a virtue representing of all human kindness, compassion, and affection. In religious context, love is not just a virtue, but the basis for all being. God is love, and the foundation for all divine law is golden rule. The word love can refer to a variety of different feelings, states, and attitudes, ranging from generic pleasure, I loved that meal, to intense interpersonal attraction. Love can also refer especially to the passionate desire and intimacy of romantic love. When we come on Samadhan, we can solve society problems when we see beyond the contradiction of the life. When we live in a higher consciousness, we obtain the higher knowledge that sees a higher harmony which enable the resolution of every problem. Samriddhi, prosperity. Prosperity is a state of flourishing, having, success, or good fortune. Prosperity often encompasses wealth but also included other factors which are independent of wealth to varying degrees, such as happiness and wealth. Abhay. Man is eager to live and afraid to die. Most problems owe themselves to this fact. The fear of death might be reckoned as a prime fear, but the most primeval and basic fear is that of expectations being defeated or mere, especially that of losing what one delusively thinks one own. Fear of loving or losing what one is attached to. The family, for example, gives birth to the fear of death, and therefore the former is the most basic fear because one is attached to the body and afraid to lose it. Fear resides within and not outside us. External fear is mere fiction. If we succeed in cultivating fearlessness, no incident, no external circumstances can strike fear in us. Abhay is not associated with bhay and nirbhay. At all, abhay means fearlessness. It is a permanent state where there is no question of ever experiencing any fear. A person with Abhay is continuously aware of his own reality. For him to become subject to fear would be impossible. We should not consider the quality of Abhay as just the absence of fear. Thank you.